English education in the USA is highly regarded worldwide, with many top schools and universities offering excellent programs. Some of the best English language schools for different age groups include King's, Language On, OHC English, and EC English. For higher education, top universities with strong English programs include Harvard University, Yale University, University of California, Berkeley, University of Chicago, and Princeton University. Popular language schools in major cities are Kaplan International, New York, Boston, Washington, D.C. OISE Boston offers programs for children and adults. St. Giles International, New York, EC New York, English Language Center, Boston, NESE Boston. These schools offer a variety of intensive English courses, exam preparation, business English, and cultural immersion experiences, with native-speaking teachers and modern facilities.